guys, today is a new video. So it is a tutorial on how to draw cartoon french fries, which I have an example right here, the ones we're going to draw. So there's this one, and then I drew a couple of other french fries today for examples, which are these right here. So just a few examples of what you can do with drawing french fries. I just thought it'd be a cute idea. So if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So I am Anna from Anna's Drawing Channel. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to share this video too. So yeah, let me know what your favorite fast food is. For some reason I'm on a fast food kick for drawing. So anyways, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, and welcome to the video. I had to set a few things before starting, so anyways, for today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to draw cute cartoon french fries. I have a few examples of french fries that you can draw. So these are the french fries right here. So I thought these would be a little cute to doodle, so I'm going to use this as reference. I came up with these today. So you can see the rectangle for the french fries, and then a rectangle for the box, or a square for the box, and the upside down U, I mean not upside down U, a smile kind of for the dip and the box. So there's different variations, but you can do like a little rectangle or something. So yeah, you can do all kinds of things with this. So I'm going to set that over here to use. Hopefully put my eraser on it. Hopefully it will stay. So anyways, for today's materials I'm going to be using, this is just going to be a basic tutorial. Nothing fancy. I'm not going to use any Tombow brush pens or anything like that. I'm just going to be using a regular mechanical pencil. This is my favorite mechanical pencil. I like to use daily, so for my sketches. And then also, my favorite thing to use is a ballpoint pen. Just a regular ballpoint pen. Whoa, I'm sorry it's going out of focus, guys. Oh my gosh. There we go. Sorry about that. Regular ballpoint pen. So, and for the coloring, I'm going to be using the Staedtler. We're just going to be needing two colors. Staedtler and I'm so focused on focusing. Staedtler brush, not brush. Oh my gosh, Staedtler water-based pens, markers. So that's what I like to use for the coloring. So that's all I'm going to be using. Oh my gosh, it's not focusing. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know why it's having trouble focusing. So, anyways, and also an eraser. So let's get started. So, hopefully, okay, so, I'm just trying to, like, it's having trouble focusing because I moved the light over there. So, I'm just trying to get a start. So, what you want to do for a french fry, we're going to start with the box first. So you want to draw a vertical line like this on the left side of the paper, and then bring the bring a horizontal line for the bottom of the box like this. I'm trying to like explain this, I guess, well or something. So I'm just watching it focus. Anyways, get back to it, and then we want to come over here. We want to bring this over here, and then you want to draw another horizontal line. I know sorry again that stop focusing. Oh my gosh, that my box isn't in the middle, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. So you would come up, and for the little I don't know what that's called, there's even a word for it, but you want to bring it over here at the top of the box. You want to draw another horizontal line like that, and then you want to bring down a U like that, and then you want to repeat the same thing over here, and then down. So, there's the shape of the box. So, now you want to do a circle for the eyes. This is just my style with eyes. So you want to do a highlight. I like 2 highlights like this, and then shade it in. Normally I would do this with a pen. I'm watching it to focus, but normally I would do this with a pen. But we're just getting the basic guide down for the french fries. You want to come over here and do the exact same thing. Draw a circle, the 2 smaller circles inside for the highlight. And then shade it in. So, and then for the smile, you can do any of the brushes you want to. You don't have to. It's just basic. Just a little smile. You can do eyelashes. I'm doing eyelashes in mine. Some of eyelashes. So for the french fries, you want to do a rectangle connecting to this end. Like that. And you want to do more than one, so it can look box full. So it's that one. Will focus. I know, theme of the day is focusing. You want to have differently to have variety of french fries, because not all french fries are the same stuff. So, variety, good. And I know french fries can be cute, so if you want to have a little three-dimensional aspect to it, you can just draw a little top like that. So, to have a 3D effect. Actually, we can do the same thing for the side of the box to give a little more volume to it. So we can do the exact same thing. So we can bring that, and then there we go. It looks a little more 3D. Now it will focus. It'll focus after we get things done. So now it looks like a French fry box full of French fries. So with the inking, you kind of want to go down with the inking.